How to redeem Steam gift card online. For this, go ahead and open up your Steam application, or you can even do this process from a browser. Either way, make sure to open up and launch your Steam. Then log in to your Steam account. To log in, at the very top, you will find a person icon. So you can just tap on it, then enter your credentials. At the top, you will see your username. You just tap on the arrow button. Then tap on the option of View My Wallet. Under Current Wallet Balance, you will see this option of Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. You simply have to go ahead and tap on this option. So go ahead and do that. In here, you will see this dialog box under Steam Wallet Code, where you can enter the promo code and just tap on Continue. Once you do this, you'll be able to redeem your Steam gift card successfully. The process is similar if you want to try it from your web browser. If you face any of the difficulty to redeem, make sure to check for your Wi-Fi connection first and foremost, or visit the Steam Help Center. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.